Now let's talk about the career management process. While we are talking about the career management, we have certain parameters revolving with one and another. Why? Because strategy, once the strategy is made, what strategies do you have right now? First and foremost strategy you have right now is like earning the money, being a manager, something like that. Then we need to assess ourselves, or organization assess ourselves, how better he is as a manager or she is as a manager. Then we need to improve ourselves. So after that we need to make a planning. Okay, I need to make these certifications, I need to have this degree, I need to have this much qualification, ability, skills and knowledge. Okay, then we are moving towards the development. We achieve something with the study, then practicing more, then we consult more, have attend the seminars. So we develop ourselves, then we again evaluate ourselves. So are we at the point where we will get succeeded or not? After evaluation we will again make a same strategy. Take a simple example of advanced Excel. So you all know the Excel, you know how it works, what is workbook and all these things. Now the strategy is to get a job of marketing analyst. So here the strategy is to get the job. So first and foremost advanced Excel is compulsory thing. So now let's have a quick test. After giving the test, you will know that you will have only 50 marks or 40 marks out of 100. Then you need to plan for advanced development. Which questions I have attempted but still not got a satisfactory answers. So we will plan for it. Then we develop for it. We again attempt for the same question, critical question. So what's happening over here? We are developing ourselves. Then again we evaluate. We give a test again, and after that we will make the strategy again. Now this time we have 80 scores. So this is nothing but the career management process. You are again and again repeatedly doing the same thing to get a better hand, or you can say being a professional in that area. Okay, so that is the career management process. Now let's talk about the succession planning.